Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing Christmas light inspired makeup. So for my base makeup, I'm going to go in with e.l.f.'s Acne Fighting Putty Primer. I just like to tap it in. For foundation, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me's Matte and Poreless Liquid Foundation. I have shade 118. And I'm just dragging it down on my neck as well. Next, I'm going in with Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer. Then for contour, I'm going in with Hard Candy's Highlight and Contour Stick. And I'm going in with Rare Beauty's Bronzer Stick. Might have done too much. I'm gonna take it in this way a little bit. And then for setting powder, I'm going in with Rimmel London's Pressed Powder, the Stay Matte one. I'm gonna take ColourPop's Main Squeeze, and I'm just gonna use shade Like It's Hot, I think. Right here. And then I'm gonna take that and just like wing it out a little bit. It's not gonna be perfect. I'm actually gonna take Home Slice. See if that shows up a little more. Okay, I kind of fixed it. Doesn't really look perfect. I think one is slightly angled more than the other. That's okay. I just don't want to do anything crazy. This is the look I did before. I like how it looks, but I just don't want to do the eyes the same. I feel like it's too much. Next, I'm going to take ColourPop's Just My Luck palette, which is like the green version. And I'm going to be using shade Act Natural. I feel like I should just leave it like that. I think I'll take green underneath my eyes. Kiss My Ass right here. Then I'm going to take the Maraschino shade in this red one. I'm going to take that shade and just go like right in my inner corner here. I'm going to wait on lashes. I'm going to get my paint out. I'm going to be taking the two palettes that I used a lot around Halloween. They are the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers palettes. I'm probably just going to stick with this one, and then I might choose the black from this one. I'm going to start by filling in the colors. We're going to be doing the light bulbs, kind of like this idea with like the skull face almost. So I'm just going to start outlining them and filling them in a little bit. I don't know if this is how I did it last time, so I'm kind of like doing it backwards, and I feel like I'm going to mess it up. Okay, so I might be looking a little bit rough. We're gonna fix it then. I'm gonna wipe my brush off, and then we are gonna go in with black paint. We're gonna draw the outline for the skull. I say we. I just assume you're doing it with me. I don't know why. I'm gonna do it though, obviously. Next, I'm gonna take Snazaroo's black paint, and I'm gonna start going off of my reference photo. And I'm going to start drawing the outline. This always makes me nervous because like it's black, so it's harder to fix if I mess it up. Let me fill in the teeth actually. We'll do that first. I'm going to start by tracing the teeth, and we'll do the line in the middle last. Just like the top part. It's always tricky to do the one on the bottom. Because, like, it shows up. Oh, I should have did that and I just touched him. But you can't see it, right? I feel like I should add one more. No, it's close enough, I think. Okay, now I'm just gonna draw a black line to connect them. I'm just gonna start in here. I added one more. I think the whole thing's kind of sideways, but that's okay. Next time, I'm just gonna like outline it and then fill it in. So moving forward, now we're gonna start the actual outline of the face. So kind of like that. I don't know how else to explain it. We're just doing like the outline of the skull, like the basic one. So I started off on the second one, kind of like in the photo, and then underneath we're gonna do the other light bulb thing. And do the same thing on the other side, although I'm sure it will not be as even. A little bit better. I kind of messed up my foundation. Touch that up as we get to it. I think it's just a little bit higher, but that's okay. Same underneath. And then on the top, we gotta connect it here. I didn't do it. Actually, I might have done that one too high. Okay, going back in with my Fantasy Maker palette by Wet n Wild, I'm gonna start drawing on these light bulbs now. Kinda wanna copy it a little bit, but not exactly. Okay, so here's the first side partially finished without the outline. I'm just gonna do the other side really quick. But I'm kind of doing it similar. I'm just like alternating these a little bit differently than last time because I like it how it looks like this way better. I didn't know what else to do there, so I figured we'll just throw one there. No one's gonna see it anyway, probably. Probably should have just drew it up top. But it's okay. It's already done. So now I think I'm gonna do a red one on my nose this time, unlike the other one. So hopefully not gonna mess it up. I'm just gonna use the big one that I've been using this whole time. Not too bad. Could be worse. Now I'm gonna go in and outline everything. And stretch. Oh my god, my back. Okay, so now I'm gonna add in like the highlights and the lights. And I'm gonna take my old Mehron cream blend stick because there's still like a layer on it. And I'm gonna take my, it's an angled brush but more, I just want like a detailed brush. I really need to get more. And I'm gonna just start adding the highlight. I'm gonna start with the green ones, I think. Okay, I think that's it for the lights. This one doesn't look like it has one. I'm gonna go get lashes. Okay, well here's the final look. I just used Ioni's lashes. They are the prom night lashes. Ignore them if they're a little rough. I cannot find my tweezers, so I've just been like trying to put them on with my fingers. Yeah. Let me know what you think. side by side. I think it's fun to recreate this look. I saw it, I don't know where I originally saw it, but I did it a couple years ago, and I think it's been like 2 or 3 years since I did it last. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna have a bunch of holiday content. This is my first one of my 12 days of Christmas videos. It's gonna be makeup videos, baking videos. They're a little rough because I don't bake on camera. And then I have some video games. I have some pretty fun ones. I like the games that I played. I really like the one on day 12, so be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.